friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Let's talk about how to create your very own DIY paint and sip party using Dollar Tree items. The Dollar Tree carries so many, if not all of the items that you need to set up your refreshment area if you're going to host an intimate group of friends or family over to paint. And in their special occasions section, you can find cups, miniature bowls and plates, forks, all of the serving pieces that you would need for simple refreshments can be found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm sure you are very much aware of their snacks and treats section. You can set up a sweets station using some of the most popular treats that your guests will definitely indulge in while they paint and sip. I mean, there are tons of things from different types of candy, crackers, nuts, you name it, that will help you create a nice spread of yummies for, just a few bucks. I love that Dollar Tree carries these mini sparkling cider bottles. I think if you add ribbon, a custom label, maybe a metallic or paper straw, that would be a nice touch to these, and they could serve as favors for your guests. A lot of decorations aren't needed for these simple parties because you will be creating the artwork, but definitely check out their balloon section and create balloon columns or maybe a balloon garland for pictures for afterwards. You can get pencils and markers, especially if you're going to trace out the image that you will want onto your canvas. They also have copy paper if this is going to be the size of canvas that you're going to purchase. Dollar Tree has really impressed me with their paint section. They have premium acrylic paint, washable paint, and they also have the Crayola washable paint. Different sizes are available and so many different colors to choose from. So I definitely recommend going to Dollar Tree to pick up the paint. If you're hosting a small intimate party, you won't need that much paint. Everyone can pretty much share dollops of paint on their paint palettes or however you're going to distribute the paint. And let's talk about the canvases that are available. There are so many different sizes. I love it. You choose the size. This can be for any age. And I was really impressed when I saw that they had the 11 by 14. This is the largest flat canvas that they have, and I thought this would be perfect for the image that I'll show you at the end of the video. But just go to your local Dollar Tree and look and see what size canvas you want. And with paint, you'll need paint brushes. Dollar Tree did not disappoint. They did not just give you one without the other. There are different sizes, textures of paintbrushes that are available. So just whatever it is you're going to be painting, go ahead and grab a few packages of paintbrushes and paint palettes if this is how you want to have your paint displayed. And they also have these craft clamps. If you use the flat canvases, you can secure your image and your transfer paper using those craft clamps or just plain binder clips that you may have laying around. You can draw your image or you can search online for free images, and whatever size canvas you're going to use, trace that onto that particular canvas or on one sheet and send that to your local copy center to have multiple copies made so that now your guests can transfer them onto their canvas. Let's talk about the party setup. If you're going to do this in your dining room or you're going to bring in some tables specifically for this party, you want to protect the surface. So you can use poster paper that comes on a roll or plastic tablecloths that can be purchased at the Dollar Tree just to protect the surfaces from the paint. And we are ready to place out our items if you grab everything that we talked about up until this point. So I am showing you an actual party setup, very intimate and simple, and we just chose a few colors because these are going to be accent colors. We wanted to find an image that would only have about 3 or 4 colors. Once I had my image printed onto the size paper needed, I need to have a transfer agent, and I purchased carbon paper on a roll from my local Hobby Lobby, and I just cut it to size so that each guest has their carbon paper all ready to go. And to get the image onto the canvas, you don't have to buy anything extra. Use the rounded end of the paintbrush like you see here and just trace the image as if you were drawing it one time. And you just add a little bit of pressure, and as you can see here, the carbon paper just transfers the image onto the canvas. Super, super simple. That way you can paint within the lines once you have it all traced out. We wanted everything to be disposable for this party, so to put the paint down, we didn't purchase paint palettes. We just have styrofoam plates, styrofoam cups to hold the paint brushes, and also water to cleanse the brushes in between colors. And as you can see here is the 11 by 14 canvas, and these worked out tremendously well. And last but not least, don't forget the paper towels. You definitely need that to dry those paintbrushes and to wipe away any excess paint. I hope that you like this video. It was so fun to put this simple party together and to also share it with you. So if you like this video, and I sure hope that you do, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Click the notification bell to the right of the subscribe button. I'd love for you to stay around and be friends with me. Let's take this party down to the comment area and let me know what you think. And I also hope that this inspires you to grab some close friends and family and host your very own DIY paint and sip party in the comfort of your own fun space. Well, until next time, friends, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.